In this video, we make a short stop in Texarkana, and then we head on up the road to Hot Springs, Arkansas.
It's our blessed adventure. It's our blessed adventure.
Here we are, we're at the Texas-Arkansas state line. You can see I'm in Arkansas, she's in Texas, and I can't get her to leave.
I don't want to leave. I want to stay here in Texas. I've had such a good time.
This sign here is posted on the post office and courthouse here in Texarkana. Some neat information that talked about how the two different states had separate post offices and then they were joined together later. You can read the thing by just pausing the video.
Beautiful old theater. We was walking by and you could hear beautiful music playing. Makes you want to sit on a bench and just sit there and relax. So we're gonna go here's another mural. And then we just took a picture at that one. So we were having fun at this, doing a photo shoot with this wall someone has created.
After a short stop, it was time to move on to Hot Springs. So this is considered the hot water cascade, and it's just below the area where we're at up by the park, where it's called Arlington Park. We found out that that park is the location of the previous Arlington Hotel, which burned down, and then they rebuilt the Arlington Hotel right across the street. So they use that park area up above here for special events, and you can rent it. But this is the hot water cascade. Beautiful area. And up above it, where we were in the park, there's 47 capped wells, hot spring wells that they capped in order to keep the water sanitary and be able to pipe it throughout the town into the bathhouse that we're going to try to check out. So, pretty nice spot here. This is nice.
Wow.
This is beautiful.
Look at that.
It comes through there.
And here's a natural spring.
That is amazing. That is cool. All that is all hot water.
All hot water coming out. Wow.
You can walk over here just a little bit and shoot up the way.
That's cool. You can see steam coming out of the ground right there. Isn't that beautiful? Now we're going back here to the spring, hot springs. So here it is coming down. And you start, I thought she said it's right here is the coolest part. And of course, the closer you get, the hotter it is.
Yeah.
Just have fountains everywhere. Is it warm?
Oh yeah, that is awesome.
Wow, look at that. Some hot spring water. Oh, wow. Ooh, it's hot. That is cool. There's another filling station. Get some water. So, of course, we had to come and get a little bit of spring water. We need a bigger container so we can get some and see. But we had this with us, so we're gonna try it out. People bring tons of water jugs down here, filling up their water.
It's hot.
So,
It's hot water.
oh, it's hot water.
Yeah.
I thought it was cold water.
No, it's hot water, so you got to
So
take
we
it
got to
home
take it.
and refrigerate it.
Huh, interesting. Wow, look at the old. This is an old Baptist Fort Ice.
We start to the right, 3 floors plus the basement. You can use the elevator to stairs.
All righty,
All
thank
right,
you.
thank you. I But I didn't see a whole lot of stuff. Information. Wow, look at the stained glass. Huh?
Start there, go through there.
Okay, well, I already. Wow. So this is the ladies' cooling room. This is the needle shower. Woo, I bet that hurts. I bet it feels like needles too. What is that supposed to do? Heal you?
I don't know. Pretty cool.
So this is the men's bathhouse. They would drink the water coming out of the fountains here, sitting around on their marble slabs. These beautiful stained glass.
What did this cost back in the day?
On video or just regular?
I turned it.
These are so nice. The water's a little cold though.
I guess it would be. You just couldn't wait till tomorrow, huh? bet you got good and hot in there too. Excuse me.
Needle bath. These are all the controls for the showers and the needle bath and all that stuff right here.
Just come out from all over.
They look like fire hoses.
Yeah, little mini fire hoses.
And
They got the levers here to control the different stuff.
I bet you got really warm in there.
Steam cabinets, yeah.
Hydrotherapy.
So is there a lot over that though too?
There's like more museum like
And this is where you got your massage.
those displays.
Okay, here's the men's dressing room. Wow. So this is the ladies' dressing room.
Pretty cool. This army was stationed in Italy, Africa, France, and Germany. In the war, and selected army to study observation.
Chiropody. A foot doctor. Just shows you all the different equipment and ways they were doing things. This was the exercise equipment, or to help you, therapy. This is what men used to wear to exercise in. Oh, excuse me.
This was considered one of the crown jewels of the Fordyce Bath.
This is the crown jewel of the Fordyce house.
Beautiful.
It's beautiful.
Beautiful.
And this is what women exercised in.
Man, this place is cool.
I'm sure they had someone playing the piano as you sipped on your tea. This is the gymnasium. Wow.
That is pretty
Wow.
That is cool. Old spring coming up from down there.
Water coming in. Now we're going to go in and see this Arlington Hotel. I believe built in like 1884. And they've kept it like you're walking back in time, they say.
This is gives you the information about the old hotel. When it was built across the street up on the lawn. Those people there crossing the street. You may have seen those guys before. And take you up the stairs. Oh, the mural. Video.
Whether depending, of course.
Here's the check-in desk. And check out these elevators. Still got the old floor dials up above them. Pretty cool. Check that out. Pretty cool. Then the old mineral fountain right there. Also, while we were in Hot Springs, we ran across the local cupcake shop, who was doing a day of kindness where they were giving away boxes of cupcakes. You had your option to pick from 1 to a dozen or 2. Whatever they wanted, whatever you wanted, they were passing out. And man, they were absolutely wonderful.
4 more?
Red velvet, white chocolate.
Butterfinger.
Butterfinger cheesecake. All right, awesome. All right.
I should have done it when I was down there. I didn't know she was calling us all the way down.
Sorry for the wait, y'all. It's really sorry.
All right, thank you. Bye.
You want to take
Wait a minute, you guys 6 or 12?
It's our blessed adventure. It's our blessed adventure.
We hope you enjoyed this video, and we hope you stick around for the next one. As we spend a little more time in Hot Springs, we visit a garden, and we get in a little off-roading. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and share us with your friends, and stay tuned for Noel's Blessed Adventures.